We have some really exciting news to share with everybody in the community. Facebook has invited our cleaning community to be at the 2019 Facebook Community Summit. They have invited about 100-ish of the top meaningful communities in the world, and so we're going to be there representing handmade cleaning community and professional house cleaners from all over the world and professional house cleaners in our cleaning community.
Our entire community is being called out because the meaningful nature of our community, because that is really what Facebook is recognizing, just the kindness and the love that is shared. We are going to bring you along with us so that you can be a part of, this journey that we're on, because we are all in this journey together. We are going to do as many lives as they'll let us do. It isn't just Kevin and I going in there and feeling like big shots. This is about you. This is about your mission. This is about your family. This is about your goals. And this is about your recognition right there at Facebook, right there at the summit, because you are the community. Right now in our society, if you want to get on a mountaintop and shout something out, you do it on Facebook. And so that's what we've been doing, and we're going to keep rolling that forward, and we're going to keep pounding the pavement on Facebook, and we're going to keep putting it in people's faces just how valuable each one of us are and what we do as cleaners.
With this summit being recorded live by Facebook, our community and all of the communities present at the summit are going to be in front of a huge stage.
Let's go get them, guys. Let's show the world just how important it is to clean.
Yes!
And to do it with love and with skill.
And with the servant's heart.
And with pride. Woo!
See you!